잠깐만 연락이 이제야 오는.
Hey guys, I'm Tahi. This is TV Korean to help you study Korean. Today's useful expression is this.
잠깐만.
Today's expression is 잠깐만. 잠깐 is a little bit or a moment. 만 is only. So 잠깐만 is only a moment, only a little bit. So the meaning is hold on, just a moment.
잠깐만요.
잠깐만.
And there is a similar word, 잠시만. 잠시만, 잠깐만. Those are the verb. So we can combine with the verb. 기다려주세요. Please wait. 잠깐만 기다려주세요. 잠시만 기다려주세요. And even we can abbreviate 만. 잠깐 기다려주세요. 잠시 기다려주세요. And also we can say as a verb. 잠깐만요. 잠시만요. Please wait. Hold on. 잠깐만요. 잠시만요. As a verb.
잠시만.
할 수 있어요?
잠시만요.
잠깐만요.
Today we learned about 잠깐만. Similar word, 잠시만. Those are the verb, so we can combine with the verb. 기다려주세요. 잠깐만 기다려주세요. 잠시만 기다려주세요. 잠깐 기다려주세요. 잠시 기다려주세요. And we can use as a verb. 잠깐만요. 잠시만요. Good.
잠깐만. 잠깐만 연락이 이제야 오는.
아주 좋아요. Very good. If you enjoyed watching my video, please click the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. 다음에 만나요. 안녕.
다음 주에 만나요. 제발.